Since its debut in 2018, the DJI OSMO Pocket series has steadily grown into a beloved tool for creators who demand professional-grade video quality in a portable, pocket-sized format. The first OSMO Pocket surprised the market with its unique blend of a stabilized gimbal camera and a handheld form factor, giving vloggers, travelers, and content creators an entirely new way to shoot cinematic footage without bulky equipment. Over the years, DJI has continued this momentum by refreshing the lineup approximately every 3 years, consistently refining its imaging technology, stabilization performance, and ease of use. Each new model has not just been an upgrade but an evolution of what portable filmmaking can achieve. With the OSMO Pocket 3 launching in October 2023, expectations have already begun to shift toward what DJI has in store for the next generation, likely to be called the DJI OSMO Pocket 4. Given DJI's track record of balancing compact design with cutting-edge features, this upcoming release is already shaping up to be one of the most significant updates in the series' history. Based on leaks, insider reports, and ongoing discussions in forums and creator communities, the Pocket 4 is poised to deliver a substantial leap forward in imaging power, user experience, and creative flexibility. At the heart of the rumored upgrades is the camera system itself. Much like its predecessor, the OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to carry a 1-inch CMOS sensor, but the real excitement comes from reports of deeper collaboration with Hasselblad, DJI's longtime partner in the drone market. Hasselblad is known for its exceptional color science and premium optical standards, and this expertise could now extend into DJI's handheld lineup. The OSMO Pocket 3 offered an effective 9.4 megapixel resolution, which already delivered strong clarity for stills and video. The Pocket 4, however, is expected to push this up to 12 megapixels. While this might sound like a modest bump on paper, the benefits are tangible: sharper still photography, more detail retention in video, and greater flexibility in post-production. Importantly, this resolution increase is paired with Hasselblad's input in color science, ensuring richer tones, more accurate skin colors, and an overall cinematic feel straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy grading. Some rumor sites have thrown around numbers like 100 megapixels, but given the size and constraints of a pocket-sized gimbal camera, that claim feels more like clickbait than reality. A refined 12MP Hasselblad-tuned sensor strikes the right balance between practicality, image quality, and efficiency, particularly when paired with a fast-rumored f/2.0 lens designed to maximize low-light performance while maintaining sharpness across the frame. One of the most exciting aspects of the OSMO Pocket 4 leaks revolves around video performance. Reports suggest it could record 4K at up to 240 frames per second, a massive leap from the Pocket 3. This would double its slow-motion capabilities, opening creative possibilities for action shooters, sports coverage, travel montages, and cinematic B-roll. For content creators who rely on dynamic storytelling, this feature alone could be a game-changer. The camera is also expected to retain critical professional features such as 10-bit color depth, HDR video, and D-Log-M profiles. These advanced color and dynamic range tools are essential for filmmakers who want flexibility in post-production, ensuring footage holds up in professional workflows. Rumors also point toward real-time HDR previews, letting creators see their final look directly on the screen instead of waiting until footage is transferred and graded. Another notable feature may be the addition of vertical video support, possibly at 3K resolution and up to 120 FPS. With platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts driving modern content consumption, native vertical recording is no longer an afterthought, it's a necessity. By offering high-quality vertical modes directly, DJI would be addressing a huge demand among social-first creators. The display has always been one of the most critical aspects of the Pocket series, and it looks like the OSMO Pocket 4 will take a meaningful step forward here. While the Pocket 3 came with a 2-inch rotatable screen, users often noted it could feel cramped for detailed framing or menu navigation. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a larger 2.5-inch touchscreen with an impressive 800 nits of brightness, ensuring better visibility outdoors and improved usability in fast-paced environments. Not only will this larger screen make framing shots easier, but improved touch responsiveness is also expected. For creators who need to adjust settings on the go, whether adjusting exposure, toggling frame rates, or switching shooting modes, this improvement will save time and streamline the shooting experience. The body itself may become slightly heavier, reportedly around 190 grams, but this increase is likely due to upgrades in thermal design, larger batteries, or sturdier gimbal motors. Despite this, the Pocket 4 is expected to remain highly portable and true to its Pocket branding. Autofocus performance is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to make big strides. Unlike previous models that primarily relied on contrast detection, the new camera may adopt phase detection autofocus, dramatically improving speed and accuracy, especially in challenging lighting or fast-moving environments. Additionally, eye-tracking autofocus could be introduced, ensuring subjects remain sharp even during rapid movements or dynamic pans. Of course, stabilization remains the defining feature of the Pocket series. The Pocket 4 will continue to use DJI's industry-leading 3-axis mechanical gimbal, now rumored to feature more refined motors and smoother integration with electronic image stabilization. This hybrid stabilization system would guarantee steady, cinematic footage whether walking, running, or capturing handheld shots in tough conditions. The upgrade to Active Track 7.0, DJI's latest intelligent tracking system, will make subject tracking even more reliable. This means smoother following of people, pets, or vehicles without losing focus or requiring manual correction, an especially useful tool for solo creators. Battery life has historically been one of the few weak points of the Osmo Pocket lineup. The Pocket 3, for example, offered around 90 minutes of recording, which many creators found limiting. Rumors suggest the Pocket 4 could more than double this, offering up to 200 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge. If true, this would mark one of the most significant usability improvements in the lineup. Charging speeds are also expected to improve dramatically, with support for USB-C PD fast charging, possibly reaching full capacity in just 25 minutes. For creators on the move, this means less downtime and greater flexibility when capturing long projects, events, or travel experiences. Underneath the hood, the Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to feature a new generation processor with enhanced image signal processing. This upgrade would not only allow for higher frame rates and improved video encoding but also enable a smoother, more responsive user interface. Faster transitions, quicker previews, and stronger app integration with DJI's software ecosystem are all on the table, improving the overall creative workflow. DJI has always excelled at supporting its cameras with thoughtful accessory bundles, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to continue this tradition with an upgraded creator combo package. Expected inclusions are a wireless microphone with improved range and audio clarity, a mini joystick for precision gimbal control, wide-angle and telephoto lens adapters, ND filters, a tripod mount, and even a waterproof case. These accessories further enhance the Pocket 4's versatility, making it equally appealing to bloggers, travel filmmakers, mobile journalists, and live streamers. Some reports also hint at better integration with DJI's Osmo audio system, potentially allowing multiple wireless microphones to connect simultaneously, ideal for interviews, podcasts, or multi-subject content. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive handheld cameras the company has ever made. With rumors pointing to a Hasselblad-tuned 12MP sensor, 4K at 240 FPS, vertical video support, a larger and brighter screen, improved autofocus, next-gen stabilization, Active Track 7.0, longer battery life, and faster charging, the device appears designed to meet the growing demands of today's creators. While leaks and speculation should always be taken cautiously until official announcements are made, the Osmo Pocket 4 seems perfectly positioned to continue DJI's tradition of delivering professional-grade tools in the most portable form possible. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, traveler, or content creator, this could very well be the pocket-sized camera that redefines what mobile creativity looks like in 2025.